Welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Danny Matranga, and today I want to talk a little bit about posture. Now, you see, posture is not something sexy to talk about. Everybody wants to talk about tips to grow, tips to get stronger, tips to build your physique, but nobody really talks about mobility, stability, and posture. And it's a big thing, especially for lifters. You guys are in the gym working hard, training to develop a strong, aesthetically pleasing physique, but bad posture can rob you of showing it to its full potential and capability. A big thing a lot of lifters struggle with is having a little bit of forward rounding at the shoulders. They could be from tight pecs, okay? Some tight anterior deltoids, muscles that we train a lot when we press. So we have some internal rotation bias and we're kind of pulled forward. One of the best things you can do for that is to simply add some corrective exercises for external rotation to open you back up, right? For your shoulder blades, stabilizing them, and some thoracic extension stuff. Really simple. Not only will it help your physique literally look better, it will also help you perform better and provide some longevity by making sure that your joints are stable and symmetrical. So I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite exercises for that right now. The first is a banded pull apart with an external rotation cue. The second is a Cobra, and the third is a face pull. Let's get into it. So the movement I'm gonna show you guys is a band pull apart. Now, it's traditionally done, and you'll see most people doing it in the pronated grip, like so, overhand. But what I wanna show you guys is this movement in external rotation. So we're getting all those same benefits of the traditional pull apart where we work our upper back, our rhomboids, but we're also gonna work some of those external rotators. And just doing a few sets of maybe 12 to 15 banded pull aparts prior to your pressing work or after your pressing work will help open you up and better display your physique. It will also help provide balance and symmetry to the shoulder girdle, protecting our small intricate muscles like the rotator cuff by, again, balancing things out that often get overworked here and strengthening the stuff that keeps you up here. Because again, at the end of the day, the best way to improve your physique is through long-term training, which requires longevity and strong, proper functioning joints. So another exercise you guys might consider is a face pull. Face pull is, again, for that shoulder girdle. It really helps with building the capacity of the external rotators and providing overall stability to that shoulder joint, which will, again, help you have better visible posture. Another one that I've loved over the years is a Cobra, which is done on your stomach, and it involves those elements I mentioned earlier of thoracic extension. We can also play around with some of the stuff we do with the shoulder while doing the Cobra to really open up and provide even more postural support and symmetry to your body. All right, so that wraps it up right there. Again, we've covered the band pull apart with external rotation, the Cobra, and the face pull. These are just 3 of some of my favorite exercises to provide better posture, symmetry, and stability at the upper body, especially for lifters. What are some of the exercises you guys have used to help open you up? I'd be really curious to hear them. Make sure you comment them below, as well as any of your existing favorite mobility exercises or things you do for other joints. Thanks again so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.